Hey guys, welcome back. You are not going to believe this, but we are actually in Australia right now. We've been here for 2 weeks. A lot of plans have been canceled in the midst of this sad pandemic. A lot of people all over the world are being asked to isolate themselves. Here in Australia, we're sort of all doing a social distancing thing, but we are still going to be going on our outdoor adventures and staying away from people. We are in a beautiful southern Victoria beach town near Melbourne. We want to bring you guys along for the adventure. So stay tuned to see us visit beaches, cliffs, rocks, water, and I hope you guys are doing okay too. How you doing, Ummies?
Good.
Here comes Mommy with the snacks.
Hey! I got a quinoa salad, a gluten-free muffin, an iced coffee, which almost had ice cream in it because I called it an iced coffee.
Can we have a snack, please?
Yes, you can have a snack, please. Oh my gosh, it was so funny in there. They're like, where are you from? I was like, don't worry, I've been here for 14 days. 2 minutes.
All right, so we've got a 3-kilometer walk. We've heard it's worth it. Yeah, and look at this place. It's just like a fairy tale land in here. What do you think, Nomis?
Good.
How's Mommy doing?
Hey guys, welcome to my tiny house. Come on in, let me show you around.
All right, what's over here?
This is where I sleep, but it's also my couch and my table.
Nova, where's your room?
It's over here.
That's really it.
Cool, thank you so much for showing us your tiny house tour. Babe, how does it feel to carry Nova 3 kilometers?
Well, it's definitely not easy, but I'm grateful that I physically am capable of it, and she seems really happy, so.
This is a song for those who wait, for those who can celebrate.
It's like
Those
a
who always
coronavirus.
know the way, for those who would never say. I make you feel bad cause it's full moon. I make you feel bad cause I hate myself. It's for those who call you on your phone and know what to say without any help. And I guess it goes somewhat like this. Are you sure you will love me in the middle of the night? When the darkness that's living outside makes its way in my mind. Are you gonna tell me that I'm gonna be okay?
All right, so we made it down here into Bush Ranger Beach. We've got our swimming trunks on and we're gonna explore some tide pools. You found a good one? Yeah. Nice. Babe, what is this?
It's a private beach.
That's so beautiful.
I don't feel nothing. I don't hear nothing. I don't say nothing. Come hold me steady. Nightingales don't live around here. Nothing at all. I don't feel nothing. Say nothing. I don't hear nothing. Don't tell me what to believe. Be nothing. I don't feel nothing. I don't feel nothing at all. Uncle, come hold me. No, I see him.
Oh, you see him?
Yeah. It's a rat snake, I think.
Duck, Nova.
Just so you know, he's coming back out.
Oh yeah? Let's pass him. We saw a big Australian snake. All right, so we had a fantastic adventure today. Nova's had a bit of a nap. We've had a bit of a feed, which is Australian for we ate some food. And now we're going to the beach to swim with dolphins. It's freaking insane. Did you see those guys come right underneath me, upside down? Like, what? All right, so we had some awesome low-key adventures today. I don't think we contracted coronavirus, so great success. If you guys like this movie and you want to see more of our Day in the Life series, there's a video about to pop up that I also think you will love. Click on it, watch it, and let me know if you liked it. GilliganPhantom@gmail.com. Love you guys. Peace. You guys want to go back for one more? I think so. This is absolutely insane.